Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience using Skiplagged. Skiplagged, https://skiplagged.com, is a website that helps travelers find cheaper flights by utilizing a strategy called hidden city ticketing. This involves booking a flight with a layover at your intended destination, and then simply disembarking there instead of continuing on to the final destination. While this can result in significant savings, it's important to understand the potential risks and limitations associated with this practice. Airlines generally frown upon hidden city ticketing, and while it's not illegal, they can penalize passengers who frequently use this method. Penalties can include losing frequent flyer miles, being charged the difference in fare for the direct flight, or even being banned from the airline. Therefore, it's crucial to use Skiplagged responsibly and understand the terms and conditions of the airlines you're booking with. Skiplagged's website is user-friendly and easy to navigate. You simply enter your departure and arrival cities, along with your desired travel dates, and the website will display a list of available flights, including hidden city options. The results clearly highlight the potential savings compared to traditional flights. Beyond hidden city ticketing, Skiplagged also offers traditional flight search functionality, allowing you to compare prices from various airlines and travel agencies. This makes it a versatile tool for finding the best deals, regardless of your travel strategy. In my experience, Skiplagged has helped me uncover some incredibly affordable flights that I wouldn't have found otherwise. However, I always weigh the potential savings against the risks involved with hidden city ticketing before making a booking. Remember to thoroughly research the specific airline's policies regarding hidden city ticketing before utilizing this feature. While Skiplagged can be a valuable resource for budget-conscious travelers, it's essential to use it wisely and be aware of the potential consequences. It's a powerful tool, but with great power comes great responsibility. Be sure to check out the links below for more travel tips and resources. Thanks for watching.